Hello friends, Jai Swaminarayan. Today our fifth video lecture. In last four video lecture, we discussed the function one, many one and onto function and give some examples. In this video lecture, again we discuss some another example, different type of examples. Look here. First question is f is the function from n to z, fn equal to n by 2 and e1. Here second function minus n minus 1 by 2. Here bracket. This one, this type of one, where n is odd number. Here also same z to z, n plus 1, where n even, n minus 3, where n odd, z to z, n by 2, where n even, n plus 1 by 2, where n odd. Right? Now look here. Here domain is n, codomain is z. Right? So put here even number in this function, odd number in this function. Okay, first we put even number 2. N is a natural number, so we start even number is 2. F2, put here 2, 2 by 2, 1. Put 4, 4 by 2, 2. Put 6, 6 by 2, 3. Dash, dash, dash. Now we take odd number in this function. F1, only positive, we put only positive natural number because n is the domain. Here put n. 1, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 divided by any number, answer 0. Then put 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 divided by 2, answer minus 1. Then put 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. Answer minus 2. Right? Dash, dash, dash. Look here. Different value and different answer. Right? Suppose F2 answer 1, F1 answer 0. Two different value but answer different. Again two different value, answer different. So this function is 1 function. We write here. Therefore, every x1, x2 belongs to n. x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 also not equal to fx2. Right? So therefore this one say 1 function. Now we discuss onto. First we write the range of this function. We find the range here. Look here. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Dash, dash, dash. Here minus 1, minus 2, dash, dash, dash. Look here your range. All the integers. And our codomain is also integer. Right? So range and codomain are same. So RF equal to Z. Therefore, this one say onto function. 1 also and onto also. Right? Today in this video lecture, we discuss this type of question. Right? Okay? Again, second one. Look here again. N even and odd. Put here even number, but our domain is Z. So we put negative, positive and 0. First we put even number. We start here 0. Put here 0. 0 plus 1, 1. F2, 2 plus 1, 3. F minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1. Answer minus 1. Here even number. Even number and function is this one. Dash, dash, dash. Now put odd number. F1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Put minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Put 5. otherwise 3. 3 minus 3, 0, dash, dash, dash. Look here. Different value, different answer. Right? Therefore, every x1, x2 belongs to Z, domain of F. x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 is not equal to fx2. Is that clear? So therefore, 1, 1 function. Now we discuss onto function. Look here, range. First we write here. First answer 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, 0, dash, dash, dash. Check your answer. 0, 1, 2. 2 answer is possible. Check here. Put here 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Yeah. So all the values of the range of the function f and codomain are equal. Therefore, Rf equal to Z, codomain of f. Clear? Therefore, this one say also onto function. So these two sums both are 1, 1 and onto. Now we discuss third question. F is the function from Z to Z. Fn equal to n by 2 where n even, n plus 1 by 2 where n odd. Okay? First we put here even number. Suppose 0. 0 divided by 2. Answer 0. 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. Minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2. Answer minus 1. Dash, dash, dash. Now odd. Put 1. 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided by 2. Answer 1. 2 different value but answer same. So this function is not 1, 1. That is many one function. So every x1, x2 belongs to Z, domain of F. x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 equal to fx2. Right? So this function is not 1, 1 function. Now we discuss onto. Write your range. Rf. Our answer is 0, 1, minus 1. Suppose we take here 4. 4 divided by 2. 2. So we get answer 2. Minus 2. To take here odd number. Minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2. Answer minus 2. So all the integer are included in range. Put any one value here, even or odd function. Right? So Rf equal to codomain. Codomain. So Rf and codomain are equal. So that is onto function. So this one is not 1, 1. That is many one. But onto function. Right? Now we discuss fourth number. We write here in 3 question, 4, 5th and 6th. Okay? Now we discuss fourth number. F is the function from n to z. Fn equal to n plus 2 where n even, 2n plus 1 where n is odd. Right? Look here. N is the natural number. Put 2. 2 is the even number. Put here. 2 plus 2, 4. Put 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Put 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Dash, dash, dash. Right? Okay. Now put here odd number in this function. Put 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Now put 3. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Here f is the function f3 equal to 7. Then f5. Put 5. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Now we discuss another three question, 4, 5th and 6th. Fourth one is f is the function from z to z, fn equal to n plus 2 where n even, fn equal to 2n plus 1 where n odd. Put here even value of the z, that is integer. First we put 0. 0 is the even number. 0 plus 2, 2. F2, 2 plus 2, 4. F minus 2, minus 2 plus 2, 0. Right? That's here. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Now we put odd number. We take 1. 1 is the odd number. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. F3, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. Put F minus 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 1. So answer minus 1. Right? Okay. So look here. Different value and different answer. Okay. So every x1, x2 belongs to Z. Domain of F. x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 is not equal to fx2. Okay, so this one say 1 function. Now we discuss onto. We write first range of f of this function. Right here 2 4 0 3 7 minus 1 dash dash dash. Okay, 0 is here. Our codomain is Z. 0 possible. Now 1 is not given in this range. Check your answer. 1 is possible if we take here 0 in this function. So answer 1 is possible. But here the condition is n is the odd number and 0 is not odd number. Because 0 is the even number. So we do not put here 0. Right? So here 1 answer is not possible. So RF is not equal to codomain. We write here codomain. Right? So this function is not onto function. 1 possible but not onto. Right? Okay, now fifth question. Fifth one, f is the function from z to z, fn equal to n minus 2 and here 2n plus 2, even and odd. Okay, again we put the even number of z. 0, put here 0, minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, dash dash dash. Now we put odd number. F1, 2 ones are 2 plus 2, 4. F minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 2. Answer 0. Different value but answer same. So every x1, x2 belongs to Z. Domain of f, x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 equal to fx2. Therefore, not 1 function, that is many one function. Okay, no 1 function. Now we discuss onto function. First we write range. Which one? 0, minus 2, minus 4, 4, dash dash dash. Now check here. 1 is not included in this one. If 1 is possible, if we take here 3, here in this function 3, 3 minus 2 answer is 1. But here n is even. So we do not put here 3. Right? So answer 1 is not possible. So RF is not equal to Z codomain. Right? So this one is not onto function. This one 1, possible but not onto, and this question is 1 1 also not possible and onto is also not possible, right? Now sixth question. F is the function from R to R. Fx equal to minus x plus 1 but x greater than or equal to 0. Fx equal to x square where x less than 0. Okay. Here negative value put here this in function and 0 and positive value put in this function. Okay. First we take negative number. Here domain is R, codomain also R. First we put minus 1. Answer 1. Minus 2. Answer 4. Put any one because domain is R. Rational, irrational, any one put here. Minus 1 is 1, minus 2 is 4. Suppose minus 3. Answer is 9. Dash, dash, dash. Now 0 and positive number. Okay. First we put 0 here in this function. Minus 0 plus 1. Answer 1. Test, test, test. Look here. Different value but answer same. So every x1, x2 belongs to R. Domain of F. x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 equal to fx2. So this one is not 1 1 function. Now range, codomain and range. Check here. RF. Our answer is 1. Here 1, 4, 9, dash, dash, dash. If we take here 5, so minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. If we take here minus 10 plus 1, answer minus 9. So put here any one value belongs to R, answer also we get R. Any one. Because put here negative number in this function, answer always positive. Put here positive value in this function, answer always negative number. Right? So positive, negative, all are included. So RF equal to R. O domain. So this one is onto function. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. Now next three question, 7, 8 and 9 number. Right? Seventh question. F is the function from n minus 1 tends to n. N is a natural number but we do not take here 1. So we start here 2. Right? Okay. Fn equal to highest prime factor of n. Highest prime factor of n. Okay. First we put here 2. Because we start here 2. F2. Factor of 2. 1 and 2. 1 is not a prime number. Right? So cancel. Here answer is 2. 3. Factor of 3. 1 and 3. 1 is not possible. 3. F4. Factor of 4. 1, 2 and 4. So 1 and 4 are not prime number. Here we take highest prime factor of n. Right? So here answer is 2. Again 5. Factor of 5. 1 and 5. Highest prime factor 5. F6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1 and 6 cancel because both are not prime number. So here prime number is 2 and 3. But here highest prime factor of this number is 3. Okay? Clear? Look here. Two different value but answer same. Again two different value but answer same. So not 1 1 function. That is called many one function. So every x1, x2 belongs to n minus 1. x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 equal to fx2. Clear? So this is your many one function. That means not 1 1 function. Now we check your range R F. Our range is 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. That's the only prime number. right? RF equal to 2, 3, 5 dash dash dash. Do not include composite number, but here our codomain is natural number and our range is only prime number. So both are not equal, right? So this one say also not onto function. 1 is not possible, onto is also not possible. This one, f is the function from R cross R minus set of 0, Cartesian product, tends to R, fxy equal to x upon y. Here we take x belongs to R, that means anyone, 0, 1, negative, positive, rational, irrational, anyone. But here condition is y belongs to R minus 0. So we do not take y equal to 0 because y in denominator. If we take y here, if we by mistake we take here y equal to 0, so function is not possible. Clear? Okay, now put the value. Suppose we take 0, 1, x equal to 0, y equal to 1. X belongs to 0 possible because it belongs to R. So 0 upon 1 answer 0. 0, 5. So 0 upon 5 answer 0. Okay. So two different value but answer same. Dash dash dash. Every x1 x2 belongs to R cross R minus 0. Okay, x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 equal to fx2. x1 is not equal to x2 but fx1 equal to fx2. So this function is also not 1, 1. It is called many one function. Okay, now range. Okay, range. We take here any one value, any one. Suppose another example. Here 0, 1, 0, 5. Suppose we take here 10, 5. 10 and 5. X equal to 10, y equal to 5. Here division factor. 10 upon 5. Answer 2. We take here minus 10, 5. So minus 10 upon 5. Answer minus 2. We take here any type of value. Answer is always belongs to R. Right? So RF equal to R. Codomain. So this one say onto function. Clear? 1, 1 not possible but onto is possible. Now this one, 9th question. F is the function from closed interval minus 1 to 1 tends to minus 1 to 1. Fx equal to x modulus x. We take here 3 possibility. How many possibility? 3 possibility. First we draw the number line. 1, 0 and minus 1. Okay. First, second and third one, this possibility. Okay, first, if x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0. In between 0 to 1. Okay. So fx equal to x and modulus of x equal to x. So equal to x square. If x is less than 0, so fx equal to x is negative, so modulus x equal to minus x. So answer minus x1. Right? Now, if x equal to 0, so fx equal to 0. Right? Third possibility. Okay? Now we put the value. First we take x greater than 0. That means this one, this interval, 0 to 1, in between any one value. Suppose we take here 1 by 2. Put here 1 by 2. X is the positive number. X greater than 0, put here. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Suppose we take 1 by 3. 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9. Okay? Now negative number. Minus 1 by 5. negative number x less than 0, this interval, minus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5 put here. So minus 1 by 5, minus sign as it is, minus 1 by square, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 25. So answer is minus 1 by 25. F minus 1 by 10, minus sign as it is. Here value of x, minus 1 by 10 square. So minus 1 by 100. Right? Negative number, square of negative number, answer is, this answer is positive. But before this number, negative sign is possible. Right? As it is. So here, look here, different value, different answer. Again different value, different answer. So here, every x1, x2 belongs to close interval minus 1 to 1. x1 is not equal to x2 implies fx1 is not equal to fx2. Clear? So here different value, different answer, that is 1, 1 function. Okay, now we discuss on 2. So we take here interval minus 1 to 1, right? This is our domain. Here we put the any one value between this interval, answer always in between this interval, minus 1 to 1, right? Check here, we take my 1 by 2, answer 1 by 4, interval minus 1 to 1, 1 by 4, that is 0.25, answer is here, right? Suppose we take minus 1 by 10, answer is minus 1 by 100, answer is minus 0.01 here. So you can take any one value between minus 1 to 1, answer also get minus 1 to 1, right? So RF equal to, we write here, RF equal to close interval minus 1 to 1. So that is onto function. This one say 1, 1 also and onto also. Okay.